This 19-year-old went from flipping phones in his garage to owning a $300 million tech company, and he started with $0. But he's not the only one. These SEPs ideas are turning broke teenagers into millionaires, and one of them could make you a billionaire. And no, it's not drop shipping. We're talking about real, scalable businesses launched from bedrooms with nothing but a laptop and an internet connection. I found the SEP insane yet completely achievable business models that have the potential to change your entire life, and I'm going to break down every single one of them. Most YouTube videos throw the same recycled business ideas at you. Start a t-shirt brand, dropship some junk, sell an ebook. Not here. Those models are slow, saturated, and honestly, pretty boring. These 7 ideas are backed by billion-dollar trends, real success stories, and tactics you can actually start with zero money. I'm not just going to tell you what to do, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. We've spent hundreds of hours researching and finding real people making millions, boiled down into a playbook for you. Forget everything you think you know about starting a business. The game has completely changed. We're going to dive into AI, no-code software, digital products, hidden local business gold mines that nobody is talking about. By the end of this video, you will have a clear, actionable plan to start a business that could make you a millionaire or even a billionaire. The first idea alone is making some agencies over $80,000 every single month. Let's get into it. All right, first up, the AI-powered niche agency. Forget spending hours editing videos or writing copy. This is about using a stack of powerful AI tools to do 90% of the work for you, allowing you to service clients at a scale that was impossible just a year ago. Imagine running a full-service marketing agency from your laptop with AI as your entire workforce. You're not just a freelancer, you're the owner of a system, a machine that prints money by delivering high-value services for a fraction of the time and cost. So what does this actually look like? You choose a super specific niche, like realtors in Miami, high-end dental clinics in Austin. Then you use a suite of AI tools to create incredible content for them. Pictory can turn a simple blog post into dozens of social media videos. InVideo can do the same. Jasper can write website copy, emails, and social posts. Copy.ai can do that too. Midjourney can generate insane custom images. You become a one-stop shop for digital marketing powered entirely by AI. The best part is the profit margins. They are absolutely insane. I found an agency owner, just 22 years old, who is clearing over $80,000 a month with this exact model. He has a team of just 2 virtual assistants, and the rest is all automated through AI. He charges clients a monthly retainer of $3,000 to $5,000 for services that cost him less than $200 in a few hours. He's basically arbitraging the gap between perceived and actual cost with AI. This isn't some far-off future concept. It's happening right now. Businesses are desperate for a consistent online presence, but don't have the time or expertise to create content. They're still willing to pay the old prices. You can step in, deliver with AI, and pocket the massive difference. It's one of the biggest opportunities on the internet today. So, how do you start this with literally $0? It's a simple 4-step process. First, choose your niche. Be specific. Vegan restaurants in Los Angeles. Second, create 3 sample videos using free trials. Turn their blog post into a killer video. Third, find 20 businesses on Google Maps or Instagram and send a cold email with your samples. Then get on a call and offer a package. $1, $500 a month for 30 AI videos. Land the client, rinse and repeat. Okay, this next idea is for everyone who wants to build a semi-passive income stream by becoming the invisible middleman for local businesses. It's called a local lead generation empire. No ads. Build a basic website that ranks on Google for a local service. Emergency plumbing in Dallas. Tree removal in Seattle. When a customer calls your site, you route that call to a real business. For that introduction, the business pays you. Think about it. A single plumbing client can be worth over $500. A tree removal job can be worth thousands. These businesses are desperate for leads. They're already paying big platforms. You can do it better and cheaper. Charge $20 to $100 per call. 5 calls a day at $50 is $250/day. Over $7,500 a month from one site. The secret sauce? A digital billboard. No truck, no equipment, no real business needed, just a simple, legit-looking site. This next one is my personal favorite because of the insane profit margins, the digital product flywheel. What's a digital product? An ebook, a Notion template, a video course, a spreadsheet? Create once, sell infinitely. No inventory, no shipping, nearly 100% profit. People have built entire empires on this. I saw one creator who made a simple second brain Notion template. He sold it for $79, launched on Twitter, $200,000 in 1 month. The work is all up front. Once it's done, the system runs itself. Launch your product, make sales, get testimonials, use social proof to get more sales, use the revenue to run ads, create more content, grow your audience. You're building an ecosystem that prints money while you sleep. The key is to not just create a random ebook. Solve a very specific, painful problem for a defined audience. Don't sell a Get Fit guide. Sell a 12-week bodyweight program for busy dads over 40. Don't sell a budgeting template. Sell a debt demolisher spreadsheet for college students. Chapter 4. You're watching a YouTube video right now, so you know how powerful this platform is. But what if I told you you could build a massive, profitable channel without showing your face or even using your own voice? These are faceless cash cow channels. They are quietly generating millions a month in ad revenue. They focus on highly searchable topics like history, psychology, finance, mystery. It's an assembly line for content. Research a viral topic, AI writer for the script, stock footage from libraries, AI voiceover, edited in free software, publish. Some channels in top niches pull over $100, $000 month from ads. They post multiple videos a day. The creator isn't the bottleneck. Not a personal brand, a media company. The channel is the asset. Channels can sell for 30-40x monthly profit. Choose the right niche with a high CPM, finance, technology, luxury. Be relentlessly consistent. Produce your first 3 videos this week. Use free trials for AI writers, AI voices, and stock footage. Perfect. Obsess over titles and thumbnails, more important than the video. Create bright, curiosity-driven designs. The man who accidentally invented a time machine beats history of time travel. Analyze top channels, model their style, publish, review YouTube Studio, and double down on what works. Yeah, go do it. This next idea is a pick and shovel play on the massive creator economy. Creators, YouTubers, podcasters, great at long form, terrible at repurposing. They don't have the time to cut a 1-hour podcast into 10 TikToks, 5 Reels, 3 LinkedIn posts, and a 20-tweet thread. Give me your long form content, and I'll turn it into a month's worth of short form for all platforms. You become their outsourced marketing arm. With AI tools, you can auto-find viral moments, convert to vertical, add captions, even get a virality score. The demand is exploding. I know a freelancer who started at $500/month per client, now charges $5,000 minimum with a small team, doing over $30 month. You're selling time and results, audience growth and revenue, so your fee is an easy investment. The online education market is worth hundreds of billions. Most think it's saturated. They're wrong. Generic "be a YouTuber" is crowded. Hyper-specific skill-based courses are wide open and profitable. People pay a premium for a course that solves a specific high-value problem. So there you have it. Business ideas you can start today with $0. We covered AI agencies, digital real estate, no-code software, and more. The world is changing faster than ever, and the opportunities for those willing to learn and adapt are massive. The old path, 4-year degree to a safe job, is broken. The new path is about finding a problem, using new tools to solve it, and building a system around that solution. So which of these 7 ideas would you start? Drop a comment. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and go build something incredible.